So, systemic reforms to retain global talent in US universities will require administrators to take action on empowering international scientists. So, we'll spend a couple of minutes talking about this slide. In this slide and also our blog post written for the Inside Higher Ed, we expanded on recommendations offered to universities in the National Academy's consensus study report titled International Talent Programs in the Changing Global Environment, and also from guidance provided by PhD Education Initiative from the Association of American Universities. Some of these recommendations, just to summarize, include providing financial support for researchers and their setup costs, taking into account financial burdens also for their onboarding and visa renewal. Additionally, there's a need to support onboarding and also developing training guides to address the hidden curriculum in graduate school and postdoctoral training, such as from the National Postdoctoral Association. For those who are not familiar, the hidden curriculum refers to unwritten rules for navigating academic culture, which can be challenging for international trainees, and this also includes networking and conferences. Additionally, career tracking is always important for improving opportunities for international trainees, and university administrators should better track data on their alumni outcomes by citizenship and location, and this can strengthen available mentorship and global networks. Another need is to provide specialized professional development programs that can help the advancement of emerging technologies and foster knowledge on a range of career options for STEM PhD holders. On the funding side, there should be more opportunities to discover these types of opportunities, including research fellowships and funding from the non-federal side and also institutions. Finally, university administrators can facilitate a better understanding of the U.S. immigration system, such as through the International Student Resource Center, on a number of topics. And in the next slide, we'll discuss the role of nonprofits and philanthropies in this ecosystem. So, in a still currently challenging environment for federal research funding, nonprofits, scientific societies, and philanthropies play an important role in supporting international trainees in the US and fostering systemic change. To this end, again, the NPA has put together training guides to assess the hidden curriculum, address this issue in graduate and postdoctoral training, as described in the previous slide as well. However, in order to address the funding shortages, there needs to be an expansion of access to independent fellowships through diverse funding streams and in an effort to include international trainees in these opportunities. Partnerships between the public and private sectors and also philanthropy should consider international trainees in planning and implementation of their events that can facilitate cross-sector collaborations. These can help diversify STEM funding, such as the National Academies, GWIPR, and UIDP. Additionally, foundations and philanthropic funders should make both career and professional development a standard component of their fellowships and sponsored research grants, and include international trainees, which is following by the precedents set by NSF and NIH. And one tool that may help increase transparency in this case is a public-facing dashboard showcasing metrics and international talent that you should check out. And this was recommended by the National Academies. And one practical example would be a tool from NAPSA, which allows users to see the economic contributions of international students at various levels. Finally, these organizations can also help encourage innovation and education in the immigration space. One example is the Talent Mobility Fund that was developed by Renaissance Philanthropy. And this is a philanthropic fund focused on helping talent move to opportunity through increasing the use of existing immigration pathways and also raising awareness of some of these more underutilized pathways in immigration to help diversify these routes that are available for international trainees in American universities. So thank you.